everyone. So I'm out for a walk and listening to a podcast and playing with the controls on my iPhone, and I came across a way to do a screenshot, a video capture of my screenshot actually. And this might be old school to some of you, but it's new school to me, so I was pretty pumped for the possibilities. Great if you have to do a tutorial or show people how to navigate on a screen. It's pretty easy to do, and I'm going to show you how, so hopefully you find it useful. So from your home screen, if you press on Settings, you should be able to scroll down till you see Control Center. Then under that, you'll see Customize Controls. Now I have screen recording enabled, so if I take that off and remove it, and then I scroll back down, it should show up in this list at the bottom, and I just enable it again. And then it should show up again at the top. So that means that it's in your control center. So if you go back to your home screen again, and then you can see in the bottom there it's recording. When this is done recording, it just saves to my photos, and I'm ready to use it at a later time. It's perfect.